AI will just make bad shit happen faster. I do not know who needs to hear this today, my friends, but no AI is perfect. None. Zero. Zilch. Not generative AI, not predictive AI, not all-in-one AI platforms you're being sold that actually don't exist whatsoever. Think of AI like the toolbox. Just because you have a toolbox does not mean you can build a house. There are over 70,000 AI tools globally, and every single one of those tools wants you to believe that it's going to be a silver bullet to solve all your business problems. It's a benefit to them that you, as the customer, don't understand AI in general. There is no such thing as an enterprise level AI system unless you built it from scratch. Let's do a quick rundown of the different types of AI. Generative AI. So when you see an AI consultant, most of the time they're doing generative AI, which is great at producing text, images, ideas, concepts. It often hallucinates facts and can't validate its own truth. Stat on that, 1 in 4 generative AI facts are wrong without human review. Predictive AI. Awesome at spotting patterns in data and powering things like predictive maintenance on different equipment. Feed it bad data, get bad quality, tool is then useless. 85% of AI failures are tied back to bad data. Computer vision AI. It classifies different images for things like quality assurance, defect detection, other safety monitoring tactics. Struggles hard with edge use cases. For example, we see accuracy often drop by 30% plus when you don't have real world lighting or there's some weird camera conditions. Automation AI. So we're talking about robotic process automation, all types of great repetitive tasks and rule-based work like streamlining inspections, scheduling those predictive maintenance, but it always needs human oversight. We see about 60%, so way more than half of automation rollouts need to be redesigned or re-engineered within the first year. Not all AI is created equal. Before you get all crazy and drink the Kool-Aid of AI hype, there are 4 things that you need to do. 1, get brutally and annoyingly clear on the problem you're trying to solve. Problem is not, AI could be really cool here. No. What problem is costing you money? What problem is costing you customers? What problem is wasting your employees' time? If you can't tie the AI use case to actual ROI, do not do it. Audit your data first. I could say this until I'm blue in the face. You need to know what your data is, what your processes are, and what your current system is before you go out and source any sort of new technology. I don't care if it's AI, MES, ERP, whatever. AI will just make bad shit happen faster. Test in small, measurable pilots. Prove that it can work in one area of the business before scaling to another area so you can fail fast, scale those learnings, and be able to show measurable results. Last but certainly not least, demand transparency from vendors. They want to show you what it can do. What is my use case? Where does it fail? What's your margin of error? Where is human oversight needed? They can't answer those immediately. All the red flags. Stop buying the dream and start buying the fit.